Hey y'all, it's Deja Lene, and we back on your screen. Okay, wait. Okay, we getting right into it today, y'all. So first I'm gonna start by, you know what I'm saying? I sprayed my face with some good Vaseline. Okay, boom, boom. Now we gonna spray this on your hand a little bit, so we can. What this is gonna do is it's gonna allow you to get all spots on your face. All of them, every spot on your face. So now we're gonna rub it in on your face. Yeah, you gotta get it everywhere on your face, because what we're doing here is we're painting our face. Yes, that is exactly what we're doing here. And now I have my sponge here, and I'm just gonna sponge on the bottom of my lips and around my nice juicy lips, and I'm gonna put them all around my face. You see, I'm gonna hit the forehead last. You see, first I do my cheeks and my lips. I do my lips a lot, you know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna play around the eyeballs and the nose, and finally we're gonna hit the forehead. Okay, boom. So you see I'm hitting the forehead, boom. And you know what's very important, ladies, is for you to get this elf window, you feel me? The elf glass, so you can look at yourself while you getting fly and beautiful, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, boom. Okay, so about done with this. Okay, switch eyes real quick. Okay, you just gotta make sure you get it good, you know what I'm saying? What this is blending. This is blending everything, making everything look the same color as myself. You know what I'm saying? I might look a little pale right now, but this right here is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna put this under the eyeballs. This is what you call, I believe, eyeshadow. Yes, eyeshadow. But sometimes you gotta put the eyeshadow on your chin, your nose, and the peak of your forehead, under your eyes, chin, nose, forehead. You see? What this is going to do is it's going to give you this beautiful color once you blend it in. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm blending it in under my eyes. So right there, that's where we like to glow. You feel me, ladies? We like to shine. You know what I'm saying? On fleek. You see the eyebrows already on fleek. I had to do that in the beginning. I didn't want to bore y'all with my eyebrows, but them is on fleek. You know what I'm saying? You had to be able to say that after you finish with your makeup and eyebrows on fleek. You know what I'm saying? All right, boom. So now once I rubbed all this in, y'all can see the color is coming together very good, you know? It looks just like what they say, me. You know what I'm saying? She being her right now. So right here, this is the, okay, this one making you look a little Indian. I ain't gonna lie, but, look. So we just gonna pat this on the top of our heads, and what we're gonna do is blend. That looked like it hurt, but we gonna just scrub it on the under your cheekbones and under your chin. Look, boom. Okay, boom. So now we're on this side. Boom, blend it. What this is gonna do is so you see the different colors in the face. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be just one color, because one color is just not good enough, ladies. We like to glow. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So I got a little makeup on my lips, but that's okay, because, you know, we could just, pull your shirt up, baby. Goddamn. Oh, anyway. So what we gonna use now is the cream. This the cream. Oh, wait. Okay. That looks like powder, actually. Okay, so we powdering up our this is what this is gonna do. Dab. We gotta dab it on our face. Just dab this on the face. You know what I'm saying? Dab it. Dab it. Oh, wait. Dab some more. Dab around everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Dab it on your face. Look, now I'm dancing. Okay, I see you, girl. Yeah, she looking good already. But we gonna finish this up, y'all. This is what you need to just sprinkle. Don't dab this one. You know what I'm saying? Don't dab it. What this one you gotta do is called sprinkle. And this is this is the powder. The powder for the flux, if you know what that is. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna dab a little bit of that. And then we're going to put this right here. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now I'm looking good. I'm looking fleeky. You know what I'm saying? It's Deja Lene. What's happening? Look, boom. Okay, look, right here. Okay, what are we listening to? I want to hear some music. Okay, look. So this is the eyeshadow, ladies. All right. So as I start on my eyeshadow, I like this beautiful color right here. Honestly, you see, and what's making this all happen right now is my my elf window shield. Like, you feel me? I can see everything in my elf window shield. So I think you should get one of those, ladies. And while I put this eyeshadow on, you see I'm putting it right on my top of my eyelid and right under it as well, because you don't want to be looking crazy, you know what I'm saying? You want to looking fleeky. So that's why you do that, basically. So as I'm gonna show you, this is the fun part, ladies. I know all the ladies like this part. You gonna hit that eyeliner, you feel me? If you don't get the eyeliner right, ladies, you gonna have to start over. So be very, very careful with the eyeliner, you know what I'm saying? So we just gonna scrape this above your eye lines right there, boom. We're gonna make them nice and long. What that's doing, ladies, is it's stretching our eyelids out. Yes, it's stretching them out so we could look popping, you know what I'm saying, without putting eyelashes on. I think I'm still gonna put on eyelashes, I don't know yet. And then this one, it's gonna make it a little darker, you know what I'm saying? So now you can actually see them things. You see, I'm popping now, you see? But look, boom. Okay, here we go. Vaseline on the lips. You know what I'm saying? A little too much makeup on my lips. I need Vaseline. Kiss. Oh, I caught that kiss. Nobody else better catch that, because then was for me. You feel me? But boom. Right here is where I'm going to, that spray. You need that setting spray to just set in stone. You know what I'm saying? Enough said. We're going to use these colors right here to just, you feel me? Just touch this up. Touch it up. Ooh. And that is the swivel. Remember, y'all, that's not a pat, that's a swivel. So remember to just swivel the face real quick. And right here, we gonna put this right where the eye boogers is. That's to cover the eye boogers. We don't want them looking at our eye boogers, ladies. Oh, y'all know what these is. Yeah, y'all know what these is. These is the baby hairs, you know what I'm saying? We trying to get these fleeky as possible, because my man is on the way, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and get these fleeky real quick. And what you gotta do is you just get a little toothbrush or a little comb. Look at the toothbrush, you feel me? Basically a toothbrush. Put a little oil on that thing and just lay them baby hairs, ladies. This is what's gonna make you fleek. Look at them curling up, and they just greased on the side of the head to make look very good. Look at them little curls just popping. We just gonna, this is what you call, ladies, slay. You really be slay. Yes, okay. You got something dripping down your neck. Oh, I think that's a setting spray. That's okay. But look, boom. So while I lay these baby hairs down, you gotta focus on the baby hairs, because you want to make sure you put them in the right spot on the head, and and the curls popping, and I'm just getting real cute right now because my man's is on the way. She's saving herself for the kid that did. So, she put it in slow-mo. I think that was for me. Yeah, pull up that shirt, baby, before I get mad. Ooh-wee. You looking like my baby now. So y'all make sure y'all subscribe to this, and make sure you like it. Try to hit that like button 3 times, not 2, because then it's gonna, you feel me, unlike it. So like it 3 times for us, and thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed now, and we love you guys. Bye.